today I'm telling you about the story named The Best Friend. It was a beautiful Saturday morning in Sao Paulo. Lucas was riding his bike through the park with his family. He rode very quickly. Suddenly, his bike hit a big stone. Lucas flew through the air and fell on his left arm. "I'm hurt my arm!" he cried. His mother and father took him to the hospital. "You broke your arm," said the doctor. "Have you got a headache or a backache?" "No, you'll be okay, but you should stay at home for a week." On Saturday afternoon, many Lucas' friends called him. "Get well soon," someone said. "I broke my arm last year," another friend said. But Lucas wasn't happy. Josie, his best friend, didn't call him all day. "Why didn't Josie call me?" he asked his mother. "He was busy," his mother answered. She smiled and pointed to the door. Josie walked into the door with a box in his arm. "I thought you might get hungry," he said. So when when So I went to the bakery to buy your favorite biscuits. I also brought you my video game, and I bring you home every day after school." "Jose, you're a real friend," said Lucas. After the story, I love the story. I think the story is beautiful. My favorite character is Jose because when he have a broken hand, he he buy for him biscuits. He can buy him video games, and we bring all the homework every day at school. I think is that a real friend. I think Lucas have a good friend. And other story, I think I should I think I should have more humble, and I can if that I have more best friend. It's more fun. So next time I will tell you more. So bye.